Oh, what?
What is
Look at this shipping container again!
What's the ship?
I'm out! I'm out!
Oh, you're in that?
Yeah!
What is going on in the
Oh.
container?
Oh, I'm in the yellow one. I'm in the yellow one. I am existing.
Oh, I'm in the
You're
blue
in-
one, but I
Oh.
just
You escaped.
Let me back in the yellow one!
Let me in the yellow.
Let me in!
Oh, excuse me.
Let me in the yellow.
Okay, the blue one's not.
Bro, what is the blue container stuck in the ceiling?
Oh, I'm in the blue. I got plugged to the stratosphere.
It's out.
I got plugged to the stratosphere. Do you see my icon? Let me in. No.
Bro,
You see
you
me in
look
the
like
window?
that. Why you look
Oh,
like
yeah, I
that,
agree.
Mom? Why you look like that?
Where'd the blue shipping container go?
I think it got plugged to the stratosphere with me.
Yeah.
Me and the blue container got sent to the stratosphere.
I'm gonna be right back.
Why
I'm
is
gonna
the
get some more
crate just
water.
above? Why is the crate just on the fucking roof of the warehouse?
Wait, what?
Crate just up there.
Oh, it's great.
Get up here.
I just slid across the roof of this whole so
Hi, Squidward.
Hi, Squidward.
Hi, Squidward.
It's Sharon Knight driving my
No, Squidward!
Chevy
I
Silverado.
need
Hi,
Hi,
Squidward.
Squidward.
Hi, Squidward.
Hi, Squidward.
The box got ejected and so did Harry.
Ah!